I'm about to give myself a gel manicure with no polish. This kit was only $14. It's basically a nail sticker. You line it up with the size of your nail and then you stick it under a UV light and it turns into gel polish. First thing first, I clean my nails. I use one of those nail brushes so I can really get in there. I'm gonna put on sunscreen. My nails looking a little rough and I'm gonna go ahead and cut and shape so we can get them together. The shape is shaping. At this point, please hand me over my nail tech certificate. It's giving coffin. Shut up. So I'm gonna peel, stick, and I'm gonna show you when I'm putting it under the light and the end results. Y'all are not ready for these results. Would I try these again? Absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. As soon as I figured out how to do them, exactly. Best investment I ever made.
24 hours later.